it's time to plant potatoes. What are those?
Daffodils.
Daffodils. Daffodils and dandelions means time to plant potatoes.
When it's spring!
Yes, spring is coming. It's almost springtime. All right. I'm Amy Landers with Gardens That Matter, and this is how we start a super easy bed of potatoes. We are planting potatoes Ruth Stout style. We're putting them down on a bed. Oh, thanks for not stepping on the bed. We're putting them down on a bed of compost, and then we're just going to cover them with a nice thick leaf mulch. And then as they grow, we're going to keep mounding up mulch. This is, if you can see behind us, it's the lawn. So we are like expanding our garden, and we're going to let the potatoes be the pioneers. Step one is going to be to put down a nice thick layer of compost. Step two, put down your potatoes. You want about 9-inch centers. Make sure they have good contact with the compost or the soil down below. So we got a bag of seed potatoes, which are certified to be disease-free, which is a good idea when you're growing potatoes. These seed potatoes are pretty big, and so we actually could cut these in half or more. Each piece needs to have at least 2 eyes, but we're just trying to hurry and get this job done, and we have more seed potatoes, so we're gonna plant this bed with big ones. If you do cut them, you just leave them out to dry for a couple days, and they'll kind of harden over and then be ready to plant. You can dust them with agricultural sulfur as well. Step 3 is to cover with mulch. About 6 inches of a lightweight weed-free mulch. We use shredded leaves. You could also use something like organic straw. And that's it. I think we're done. As these potatoes grow, they'll probably sprout in a couple weeks. As they grow, we'll keep adding mulch, nice thick mulch, and that way there's lots of room for the new potatoes to grow. Wherever that mother potato is, all of the other potatoes grow out beside it and just above it in the soil if you bury them in a trench, or in the mulch if you go Ruth Stout style. Definitely check out the link below. I'll give you the link to the original Ruth Stout video. She's amazing and awesome. Until next time, happy gardening.
Potato, potato!